Hello all, welcome to this session. In this session, I am going to answer one of the Java interview questions. That is, what is the root class of all the classes we have in Java? The answer is object class. Object class is the root class of all the classes in Java. That means all the classes in Java are either the child classes or grandchild classes of this object class, but object class doesn't have any parent or grandparent. Okay, so object class is on the root. Okay, on the root level, on the top level, and under that object class only we have all the other classes of Java as a child classes or grandchild classes. But object, on the top of the object we don't have any parent or grandparent. That's why we call object class as the root class of all the classes in Java. Let me show you so that you will understand practically. Let me show you using the documentation of Java. Let me practically show you and prove you that object class is the root class of all the classes in Java and doesn't have any parent or grandparent. It only has a children or grandchildren in the Java library. Okay. For that, I'll open the browser. I can go to any, library of Java, Java, JDK. Okay. You can API documentation, just generally search, or you can give a number of that Java version and search that some thing will come. Either you can click on this 8 edition or 11 edition or 17 edition. Okay. Let's go with the latest one. What's the matter? So here, a lot of packages and all. And here I have to search for any class case. Okay, let's say if I search for a string class. Okay, let's go to the string class in Java and observe that the parent or grandparent of whatever the string class is, object class. If I click on this object class, you see on the top of the object class, we don't have any other class. Java.language object, you see, it doesn't have anything. Okay. On the top of it, it doesn't have anything. All the other things are, are the child classes of this object class. Let me go to the documentation of previous version where it will be easy to, to find out all the classes instead of just searching in the, search box field. Here we have a lot of classes. You see, abstract action is one of the class in Java, and randomly I pick this one. You see, the parent is object class. Okay, object class doesn't have any parent. Okay, object is the root of all the classes. Okay, all the classes in Java are either the child or grandchild classes of this object class, but object doesn't have any parent or grandparent. Just scroll down and then pick one. Let's say integer class. You see, integer class. The parent of the integer class is number and the parent of the number is object. That means either object class is a child class of a class or it's a object class is a parent of a class or a grandparent or ancestor of a class, but object doesn't have any parent or grandparents. That's what I am telling you. Object is a root class of all the classes or the parent or grandparent of all the classes in Java. If you click on window again, you see for window also, there are parent, grandparent. Its parent is again object. On the root level, we have object. Again, if you click object, you will not see any parent or grandparent for this object class. That's the reason we can say that object class, okay, is a parent or grandparent of all the classes in Java and it doesn't have any of its own parent or grandparent. Hence, we can call the object class as the root class of all the classes in Java. And the answer for this question, what is the root class of all the classes in Java? Is object class. So because of the object class is the root class of all the classes in Java, is the parent or grandparent of all the classes in Java. In Java, there's something allowed where you can create an object for the child class or grandchild class and assign it to the variable of the parent class. Hence, the objects of any of the classes in Java can be assigned to the variable of its parent or grandparent class object. That's why it is allowed, guys. Okay. So, and it's also the root class of all the classes in Java. So that's all for this session. Thank you. Bye bye.